종 sini khoroksa takuk bo bini YouTube phaikaba torop theke takuk ojit chubanani bagui bini nukungo phaisok bajak hingka song bini khuptino khana lainai bo busuk joratei takuk ojit no chubanani bagui phaikya bini khuptino khana laisinai to sagra dara nang bini sin takuk ojit no busuk ya phanani phaikya busuk chubanani phaikya
By Dal News now, and thank you media persons for asking the questions. So actually my channel also, my name is Uday Kaiping, so I have a news channel, Ringdam News TV. This is also the Halam News and Entertainment channel for those who could not speak Koborok and other language like Bengali language. So we have that channel. So I have come here during the last week already, 1 week already. So I came here for taking some videos and some footage and video footage and all. So I published the news in my channel. So many people sees that news about the condition of this Mr. Ojit Kumar Kaiping. So they feel pity on him, and many of them had contributed, and I give my GPay and my QR code in my news channel. So they have given them for money through GPay. So around like 14,000 I have collected from the public, and I would like to thanks for those who are donating, for those who are contributor, because of you and all. So I can come here once again to submit, to give them the money, so that let them manage with this little money also. And with this little money is not enough, not sufficient still, so we need more money so that we can go for further treatment, better treatment. So that is why I want to request the government of Tripura, the EDC governments also, to see this matter and to arrange something for him, so that he may see again, he may be like us before actually he can see. And it's already 6 years, so he cannot see anymore. So his both eyes completely, he is unable to see, he cannot see more, it is like dark. So that is why even I feel pity on him, and I did not charge my media charge also, because too much pitiful. They don't have eating things. And how can they manage? This house also constructed by Young Kaiping Association. We construct them, and during 2022 or 2021, we came here when we donated them. We held them by contributing everyone money, each one, and we submitted them, and we held them around like 15,000. So today also, once again, through my news channel, I have collected around 14,000. So now I have come here to give them the money. So now I will hand over to him. This is the money which I have collected through my news channel, Ringdam News TV. People donated as much as their capability, as much as they have a possibility. They have given either, it is not about the big size or small or big size, but they have at least sympathy on him, they feel pity on him. So I would like to thank all the contributors once again, their Unnao brother, and especially their Unnao brother with the Halam community. And I thank you everyone for donating small amounts. Let God bless you all, and even these persons, this Mr. Ojit Kumar Kaiping. I pray in future that he may be all right, and the government also may take care and may look this matter. So this is what I would like to say on this. But thank you.
Keep on. Hingga je rengreng Kaiping. Rengreng news TV nule rengreng news TV channel no chuba phaimani ning bini torop thekan mane tamo nin torop the tam kha ka hamya plang
ang belai sana kha hamja faro rengreng news ni hoite chini bukung bara tai chini amam borok Kaiping ni hoite nongkhor phaimani belai kheno hambai maro tai pai flyer hambai bono chini ani takuk udai no bini rengram news belai keno hambai marawo tai cubacu bini hoite cubacu manmani bagai tai lukurong no bo belai keno hambai marawo pai fleya hambai marawo kaitor ni thani ang borong ni bagai bo suri sanai ma suri sanmong matong nai hambai
Hingga kamu tahu tu buso sini takuk renggam tibini sini tara utoi kaipeng bo tini sini ojit sini takuk ojit kumar kaipeng no coba kaimani belai keno bo khaka ham ya farka tai kaito ni thanibo bahanyo bini torop theke khaka ham ya farka keti kamu tahu tu buso sing tini haina hai phai sopai kya sini dal bidal news habano ni busakte sing saiman ka darkai kaipeng kamiwo sini khorsa takuk bisikolog maromoi mokol hamya mokol mugia thongaro klai tongani nangkha belai keno khairuk ma singsaja inka abuni bagini botini sungno sini koktuma thumnai rongno ringei lukurongni thanibo khorsa khongi da chubachu mano haikaba help da mano nei bo sungno tini sahormani bai bini khoktino tini bini tamno nangi tong tamo chubachu nangi tong bini khoktino sung tini khana lanai do sagare dara nang tini chini koktuma thumnai rongno nang tamni bagai asuk mane ringnani nangkha
ang koina no muncung ga ani subacu kisa renan bagai ang borok no koyo ringo tai ani no khua sek jingjal ingmani ang nukja ingmani belai khe wanama singsa
nang tamni bai chubachu nangai tong tabu
ani mokol hamrena bagai ang subacu sano
nini mokol le tamung kha
ani mokol ekdom nukya ngi tongkha hor ngeibo sal ngeibo haino hai u horo mukumma hai ngkha ekdom nukliya sering
ene nini o mokol pula starting go tamukhe nugya kha amo
angbo saiman ya kisha yang baca ya oro kisah kecak ngi tonggo aboni pore ki a kecak manik torte amoi pura kecak ngi tongha but haita angge aboni pore ulo saw horbo u susi jorma suk sawi thui simanja muktri sithangya oke teluk kesi u ani mokolni nukmani kisah komjur ngi thangka
mane kono yong sap sar habya na
yongsa kun yongsa puksa kri habya
ene koi bosor ka kan ma hai mokol nu yang tomun
ama hai nugya ngi tongmani tabuk bai ta bisi bai 6 bosor engka
koi bosona bahai doktor ogole nu thangero nara najakha tam bontoi
doctor rogot naijakha kabang makhe naijakha tai ani doctor naimani rang kereni bagai asuk ani mokol doctor asuk thangai manja tamnen ke cheng bigra brok kisha musa kheto jumil bokri tai amom animal mata tongmani thung phal payei ani amo mokol khamrena bagai doctor thangani bagai se amo ani mokol doctor nai jagnani bagai thangnani bagai hamrena bagai se ani mal mata rok thung amon phalei among hai engkha
najakha nung
naijakha
engke tabu je nung doktor thangi najak mani doktor ole tamu sa mane taisa mo hami mane jana maya da busur khoros thane mahero sarsa
amo sawo aifano ang borok ke guarantee hoyata asek angke borok sakha nung bithi phul paidi aboni pore nung phais dihen kata ano kacharo angke ang a samoyo phaiman liya thangman liya
tamu
rang kurei ba rang kurei ni bagai thangai man liya
busur rang kurei ngi amo asken thangmai ngi thangka amo hajago
afuru rangkok sapane kore ani jago abni bugi thangman liya
सबसे करै
Koksapan.
माने लोकरकनि हाय कमनि जाति गोष्ठी रंनि अरफानो किसा सलक ना उया हेरक कोनो थाङै माने दाखो
man fano ko manja
नरो सलक मायाना
maya bohon bahai ke boinoro solok mannai ba ani mokol sinugya sab sunai arang haini bugai bui bo ano bisas khlaiya rang solok rutugoi phano manja
माने नों बुइनरो सलक सांके बुइ माने नों सुइ मांगलासि
man galak henai
नै रले आतना
raliya
अच्छा ओके द सागर से देंगन नों से ताबु निनि याथे याक आसो काहाम तंगै ता मखल बनि नि नुलिया ओके नु खंगो साबो र सारि टन खाताबु
abo tabu ani ama tongo abo no achini nokhongo naita
निनि बसा खर बसु तो
jani busa ke korok tham
निनि लगी संके
ani logen ke keri
बियां थांगा अ कागि थांगा
kagi thangka
तामनि बागै ननासो खिबि थाना नाखा मासो बसा खरक ताम माने तमा जागो
bo wa ani mokol nugyani bagai kagi thangge tai bo ano nai mangalak tai ang bo omufuru bani mokol sinugyang ke ba ang ano puse mangalak ano nairi mangalak tai bini besa betai rok no bo sari mangalak henai bo ang dokuman sinai henai bo ano kak thangka
बो सरकार खा माने नु बाय कागि थांमोन
bo sorkaya ko ek saptah simi tang engka
ओके निनि जे सराय खरक थामनो ले ताबो साबरो नाइ तंग ताबो
abo angno ang bai ama ani mokol nugi aphano ani hisab ni mote amota
द सागर
boma ani besa betai rok no kisa tuku roi kosto khe tuku re khata
삽 तो खर खान नंदे
ang tu bai sa usu tuku ro
इंगे नु ताबो निनि मकल से हामिया हंगा कन नक नि कुन जागा कोतुल सनाय नालासा
kutuli manja hai no
इंगे नु जे ताबो निनि मकल हामिया नgi तंगमानि कुनो बातारो माहेरो कुनो सरकारनि थानिओ सुबासर मारामान
सरकार ne hoite chubachu man jakho hisapano
Dari naikkan.
bata man jakho joma de kagos joma le rekha Hai. joma mane 2025 ni simi 2025 bisi ni simi romani
इंगे हमसे
engke tabuk porento man jakho ta engke u 26 obo rohoka 2-3 barsho rohoka tobo man jakho
जे निनि ओ बातानो काले खाइनाय माने रनाय हिनि खनाय साबो ना फाइ डकुमेन्ट निनि
abo na phaina engke ani ama tunna thango
बलगो ता
ano kacharta
बलगो ना थां
bologo thango joma ro
ब ब बलो
omo chini amawa
बमो
sipai jola diste amawa jampu jola bologo
जंतु जरा बलगो ना अच्छा इंगे ताबो निनि मुखे
ani mung ke Ajit Kumar Kaiping
गो कामिनि मु
ko kami ni mung ke Darkai Kaiping
नि नामनि मु
ani amani mung ke Asandren Kaiping
नि बाउ तो तंखो
ani babu thai thangka
थेकिया कोइ बसर
ang cerai khosi 2002 ni simi ani babu thai mani ang asuk sitorko
असस तोर खना दूध दचाइ तो खना आपरो
दूध ले जा karma drok
इंगे दारा नि नरो जे नि मकलो जे बथराइ नुगि तमनि किसा किसा हामो साउ जा तंग खताबो
saya
सालिया ना
waisa waisu sawo
ओ याग नि नुगि ना
jangan ni nugia
या सासे नुगि मोसांया माने या सासे नुगियांगि तंगना नांमनि हेरिबा निनो कानि कानि से नुगियां थांगा गबा बेलाय मारुं सुगतना
marung se kobelai
ताबो मकल करिखे बेस खाङिनो करिखे हामा सोंगलेना
po pohor tonggibo nugyang amokri poro pohor hai sal bahai hor bahai ekdom nakma khe belai ang wanawi hor bo muktri thanglia asuk wan sokha ang bahai khe hamri manno ani mokol hene wan sogwang si ani muktri si hor thangya
थांलिया तो ना
thanglia
nini bihik de no khibi kalangmani nungle bahai kono dukhorok da nang
duku nango
mana tangai dosa khorok tamno ase khibi thana na kabon dukhu blena mono kono khobor khai hole arabo kono mane kono khos khobor khali arabo bojala thanga nin bele
khaya
amu
kon bo khalaya
kono khaliya
khailia
abon tawte bhusong obono horno sal no hor eyoma hayingi tongka chini taku Ajit Kumar Kaipengni inga abono lokorokno kok thai ni sanamu songa hai ka kasaramu songa chini taku Ajit Kaipengno subanani bagai je suktui khoksa khongni khoktam nini phata hastewa tongnai nini chebu khai tongnai nini kabangma gopne ni je chebu khai tongnai rok oma hai je mokol kurino tong khorosa rel lama rogo kaham tutuise birkha khangri chawi tongnai tongo oma hai rogno mane chuba layu 10 টাকা 20 টাকা খাই ও মনে কুবু no binile kuri kha mokol pura ekrek jagbe baksa pura thaijakse bin mokol mane nugliata gabno nukorok bono chubanani bagai chini koktumani bisingtei nukoroni thaniwo obono koimu obono bini bagai chubanani bagai tinin bagai omsonga chinai jotono khulungka